How do pop-up drink stands budget for travel expenses? Most pop-up drink stands set aside about 10 to 15% of their total monthly revenue specifically for travel costs, like gas, vehicle maintenance, permits, and lodging when they move between events or festivals. Think of it like packing a lunchbox before a big trip. You would not just grab snacks without counting how many days you will be gone, right? Pop-up drink stands work the same way. Before they even book an event, they figure out how many miles they will drive, how much gas that will cost, and whether they need to pay for a hotel or just sleep in the van. Something a lot of people do not know is that many successful stands actually build a separate travel fund into every single sale, almost like a hidden tax they charge themselves, usually around 50 cents to $1 per drink sold. That tiny amount adds up fast and covers surprise costs like a flat tire or an unexpected toll road. They also track weather patterns for upcoming events because rain or extreme heat can shrink foot traffic and mess up their whole travel budget if they are not careful. One big thing to watch out for is underestimating fuel costs, especially during summer when prices spike, so always add an extra buffer of about 20% on top of your fuel estimate. Another key point is permit fees, since every city or county charges differently, and getting caught without the right permit can cost you way more than the travel itself, so always call ahead and confirm pricing before you pack up. Lastly, many stands forget to budget for vehicle wear and tear, like oil changes or tire rotations, so setting aside a small monthly amount just for maintenance can save you from a much bigger repair bill down the road. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.